Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CEI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice movement. When you consider that essentially all week long the price was down here, and now all of a sudden it's up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has definitely made a nice move. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at 19 cents. Why is 19 important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that a price movement with genuine strength is going to make progress forward. It's not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 19 cents. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in that manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this scenario, I'm just quantifying that phrase, make progress, as once more 19 cents. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers currently are hanging out at, the majority of them seem to be more so in the short term, kind of right there around 20.5 cents. Not exact, but like I said, just the general vicinity seems to be whenever the price got right up around this area of the chart. In the afternoon portion, that's where the price was struggling. So 20.5 cents will be public enemy number one going into next week. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice movement today. Great way to close out the week. So not just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.